GoHighLevel is not just for email campaigns and funnel, it's also for the SMS marketing. Its SMS marketing feature is a game changer for busy business owner looking to boost engagement quickly. But how does it work? And is it really worth to using? Stick around because by the end of this video, you will see exactly how GoHighLevel SMS can save time, improve the customer communication, and increase your sales. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we break down tools and tech in simple way so you can grow your business smarter and faster. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and check the description for link to free trial and the deals you can start using today. If you use the free trial link from the official website, you can use it for 14 days. But by using my link from the description, you can use it for 13 days. So check that link and take the advantage of the 13 days extended free trial. Okay, now let's get back to the video. So first, let's talk about the SMS marketing in the GoHighLevel. Unlike the traditional email campaign, SMS messages are fast, direct, and almost always read by your customers. GoHighLevel lets you send personalized messages, automated sequence, and reminders directly to your audience phone. You can schedule your message, trigger them based on customer action, or even send the broadcast for promotions or update. One of the biggest advantages is automation. You don't have to manually text every customer or lead. For example, you can automatically send a follow-up message after a purchase and remind client about the appointments, or even send the special offers to encourage the repeat sales. This saves you hours of every week and keeps your audience engaged without extra effort. Another key benefit is the higher engagement rates. People check their phones constantly and SMS messages have much higher open rates than the email. So this means your offers, your announcement or reminders are more likely to be seen, read and acted upon. Now for businesses running promotions, events or sales, this can make a huge difference in result. GoHighLevel also help you to segment your audience. You can group contacts based on behavior, past purchase or other criteria and send the tailored message that feels personal. This not only increases the engagement but also builds the trust and strength of your relationship with your customer. In short, GoHighLevel SMS marketing is a fast, effective and automated way to reach your audience directly. It saves time, increases response rate and allows you to focus on running your business instead of manually managing the communication. So if you want to try GoHighLevel SMS marketing for yourself in business, then check the link in the description for the 30 days extended free trial link. I hope this video helped you. If this did, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.